Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. We're here in the showroom today, and on an earlier video we talked about the lower A-pillar section. That lower A-pillar section, that's the same thing on truck cabs, Blazer, Jimmy, Suburban. But today we're going to talk about a newer product that's out on the market. This is the A-pillar slash what they refer to as shoulder assembly. If you get to the point where you've got not just a little bit of damage down here, but you've got damage all the way up here, or even rust issues here, rust issues on the inside underneath the gasket, that sort of thing, or even a problem up in here, crash damage, whatever. This item is from Golden Star, and this is part number 50893. The right-hand side is 50894. You'll find these on our website. This is what is referred to as the A-pillar assembly. So as you can see, it's obviously a fairly big piece. You get a complete factory style A-pillar. It has the nut plates for your door hinges. This has also got all of the bolt holes and everything that you use to mount the cowl panel on. This has got the air vent box. The kick panel area is in there as well. You've even got the screw holes that mount the control lever for the fresh air vent. This is all where the dash and everything bolts to on the end before it's welded in. This is all of that inner air box, air vent, whatever you want to call it. It's got the pinch weld here for the windshield. This is this inner A-pillar area right there. And this is all up underneath the roof line. You can see this piece here. This is the same thing right here where all this joins in. This is made just like a factory piece was. So depending on how bad your rust is or how bad crash damage possible, as we all know, 67 and 72 is real susceptible, not just in this lower A-pillar area down at the bottom, but also in this area, in this trough, water holds, same thing gets up in here. That water up on top, if the truck is set outside, that area can rust out, as well as over time, leaves and debris get in here from the cowl panel, come down through the firewall into this shoulder and airbox area, and this area all gets rusted out as well. So depending on how bad your damage is, this may be the piece for you. Again, these are part number 50893, 50894. We also have these available for Blazer and Jimmy, which are obviously a different setup because of the roof line area. So take a look at them on the website. We've got these available in stock. Get them today at H&H.